Hello students, happy learning. Continuation of our previous videos on fire insurance claim. Now we are going to see another problem on fire insurance claim. Let's see the problem. A fire occurred in the godown of the company on 20th March 1995. All the stock were destroyed except to the extent of rupees 13,000. From the following figure, ascertain the amount of claim. So here the information is given. Stock on 1194, purchases during 94, sales during 94, stock on 31st 12 94, purchases up to the date of fire, sales up to the date of fire. Stock was always valued at 80% of the cost. So this is the new information we are going to see. See here, the stock was always valued at 80% of the cost. So here in this problem, gross profit ratio is not given. Previous year information is given. Okay, based on previous year information, we have to prepare trading account for the year ended 31st 12 1994. Okay, now we'll see opening stock how much is given, 40,000 rupees, but it was valued 80% less cost. It means 40,000 divided by 80 into 100, it will be 50,000. Okay, this is the new information we are going to see. Purchases is 1,40,000 rupees. 1,40,000 rupees. Purchases 1,40,000. Sales, previous year sales is 2 lakhs. Previous year closing stock is 24,000, and this always stock is valued 80% less cost. It means this 24,000 divided by 80 into 100, then the value of closing stock is 30,000 rupees. Okay, now the total of credit balance is 2,30,000 rupees, 2,30,000 rupees, and debit side total is 1,90,000. Therefore the gross profit is 40,000. Okay, now we have to find out GP ratio. Gross profit of 40,000 divided by net sale is 2 lakhs multiplied by 100. Okay, and your gross profit ratio is 20%. Now we go for memorandum of trading account for the fire period up to 20th March 1995. Opening stock, previous year closing stock is the opening stock. Previous year closing stock is 30,000. Now the stock value is 30,000. Okay, purchases up to the date of fire is 1,46,000. Okay, sales up to the date of fire 1,60,000. Okay, then gross profit is 20% on sales. 20% on sale. Our sale is 1,60,000. So 20% of 1,60,000, 32,000. Okay, so 2,08,000 minus 1,60,000. Closing stock as on the date of fire is 48,000. Okay, 48,000. Here the salvage value, okay, 13,000 rupees is the salvage value. 13,000 rupees is the salvage value. So here your claim to be made to the insurance company is 35,000. Okay, so here the new information is the stock is always valued 80% less cost. Then what you have to do? You have to increase the value up to 100%. So 40,000 divided by 80 into 100, 50,000. Okay, and it is 24,000 divided by 80 into 100, then it will be 30,000. This is the new information you are seeing in this problem. Let's see the next problem. In this problem, let's see a fire occurred in the business premises of Thiru Punnuswamy on 15/10/89. From the following particular, ascertain the loss of stock and prepare claim for insurance. Stock 1188 is given, purchases during 88 is given, sales during 88 given, stock as on the date of 31st 12 88 is given, purchases up to the date of fire is given, sales up to the date of fire is given. Stock were always valued 90% of cost. The stock saved from the fire worth rupees 18,000. The amount of policy is given 63,000. Whenever the amount of policy is given, we have to use average class policy. Okay, you check it whether the average class policy is applicable or not. Okay, here this problem is given, clearly given. There was an average class in this policy. Okay, so here what is this? The stock is always valued 90% less cost. Okay, previous year gross profit ratio is not given. Therefore, you have to prepare gross profit ratio. For the purpose, you have to prepare trading account for the previous year ended 31st. So, in this problem, the value of closing stocks is valued at 90% of cost. Okay, 90% of cost. And fire insurance policy amount is given. And the average class policy is applicable. Okay, it's given in the problem. Now what you have to do, so in this problem GP ratio is not given, then what you have to do, you have to find out GP ratio for the previous year. Okay, so you have to find out GP ratio for this trading account. You have to prepare trading account for the previous year 31st 12/88. So opening stock is always valued, okay, all the stock, not only opening stock, all the stock valued 90% of cost. So 30,600 divided by 90 into 100, then the value will be 34,000. And purchase is given 1,22,000. Okay, sales of previous year is given 1,80,000. Okay, closing stock of previous year is 27,000, but valued 90% of cost. Then you have to convert it into 100%. So 27,000 divided by 90 into 100, the value will be 30,000. Okay, and your gross profit is 54,000. Okay, now you have to find out gross profit ratio. 54,000 divided by 1,80,000 multiplied by 100, then it comes to 30%. The GP ratio is 30%. Now go to memorandum trading account. So here opening stock, previous year closing stock is our opening stock. So this 30,000 is the opening stock. 30,000. Purchases up to the date of fire is 1,47,000. Okay. Sales is given up to the date of fire is 1,50,000. Now GP ratio, gross profit is 30% on sale. We already calculated GP ratio. Okay, we already calculated 30% as a GP ratio. So 30% on sale, 1,50,000 rupees. Okay, 1,50,000 rupees. So the value is 45,000 rupees. Now the remaining balance is 72,000. Okay, 72,000 rupees. Salvage is given here. Salvage is 18,000 rupees. So claim actual loss is 54,000. Actual loss is 54,000. Actual loss is 54,000 rupees. So here your amount of policy is 63,000. Stock on the date of fire is 72,000 rupees. Okay, stock on the date of fire is 72,000 rupees. Then you have to apply average class policy method. Okay, now we will see the average class. For calculation of amount of claim under average class policy, the formula is amount of policy divided by stock on the date of fire multiplied by actual loss of stock. So amount of policy is 63,000. Okay, 63,000 rupees. The next stock on the date of fire is 72,000 rupees. Okay, then actual loss of stock is 54,000. Then the amount of claim is 47,250. 47,250 is your amount of claim. Okay, your amount of claim is 47,250. Let's see another problem. Here the premises and the stock of a Kamachi store were totally destroyed by fire on 15/1/94. From the accounting and other record, that were saved, the following information is available. Opening stock for 4 years is given. So this is the period of fire occurred. Okay, this is the period of fire occurred, and the previous 3 years data is given. Okay, opening stock, purchase less return, sales less return, wages, closing stock. Okay, these are given, and the stock was always valued 10% less than cost. It means the value opening stock and the closing stock both are valued 10% less cost. It means 90%. Then what you have to do, you have to convert it into 100%. 2007 9 divided by 90 into 100, then you will get the actual value of opening stock. Like that, 3240 divided by 90 into 100, you will get the actual value of opening stock for the year 92. Okay, so in this problem GP ratio is not given, gross profit ratio is not given, whereas the 3 years trading account information is given. Okay, you have to find out gross profit for the 3 years and take an average of 3 years GP ratio. Okay, now let's see the problem. Now we substitute the values here. For 1991, what is the purchase value? 7,490. Then next year 8,000, and this is 8,100. Okay, wages are 1,740, 1,900, 2,090. Okay, and the sales is given 12,000, 12,000, and 13,200, 14,000. Now we have to substitute opening stock as well as closing stock. Now you see, what is the value of opening stock? 2,709 divided by 90 into 100. The value will be 3010. Okay, and this one 3,240 is less than 10%, valued at 10% less cost. It means 3,240 divided by 90 into 100, the value will be 3,600. And this value 3,600 divided by 90 multiplied by 100, the value will be 4,000. See, opening stock. Okay, and the closing stock is 3,240. Okay, closing stock is 3,240 divided by 90 into 100, divided by 90 into 100, the value will be 3,600. Let's say 91 closing stock will be the opening stock for the next year. Okay, see here 3,600. Okay, the next this value 92. Okay, 92, what is the value? 3,600 divided by 90 into 100, the value of closing stock is 4,000. See here 4,000. The next value of closing stock 3,690 divided by 90 into 100, the value will be 4,100. Okay, 4,100. Okay, now we will find the gross profit. So here the credit side is 15,600 and this one is 12,240. Okay, and 3,360 is the gross profit for 91. And this year 3,700 is the gross profit. For this year 3,910 is the gross profit. Okay, so 3 years of gross profit we found. Okay, you have to take you have to find a GP ratio for 3 years. We have to find out gross profit ratio for 91, 92, 93. So gross profit ratio is GP divided by net sales into 100. For each year you have to find out gross profit ratio. So first year this is comes to 28%, second year 28%, third year 28%. Therefore the average of GP ratio is 28%. Okay, 28%. percentage. Okay, now come to memorandum of trading account. So here opening stock 4100. Okay, this will be the opening stock. 4100 is the opening stock. Purchases, okay, purchases less return is 600. Purchases less return 600. The next sales is 1200. 1200 and wages is given. Wages 200. Okay, and the gross profit is 28% on sale. 28% on this amount 1200. Okay, 28% on 1200 comes to 336. Okay, now the value, the remaining balance is closing into stock as on the date of fire 4036. 4036. Okay, here there is no salvage value. There is no salvage value in this problem. Salvage value is not given. So your amount of claim is 4036 rupees. Thank you students for watching this video. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.